Hi there, it's Katrina Sawa here, the Jumpstart Your Biz Coach with JumpstartYourMarketing.com, and with a quick video message today and a tip for you entrepreneurs who want to work less and make more. I'm going to be sending out videos like this once a week with great little tips that you can implement quickly and easily and hardly with any expense, if any at all. So pay attention to these, and hopefully they will inspire you, motivate you to do something different, to think bigger, and to take more action in your business towards your goals and what you really want in life. So today we're going to talk about 3 keys to enjoying a 6 or 7 figure business. And hopefully you have a big picture vision of having a 6 or 7 figure business. If your goals are still under 6 figures, that's okay, but think about maybe thinking bigger. There's always a way to make more. There's multiple streams of income that you can implement, and I can show you how to do that. But the 3 tips to enjoying this kind of a business really involve this. First, you have to know your life purpose, what you're here to do on this planet. You have to be doing what makes you passionate and what really fulfills you and what your ultimate message is in this world. And hopefully you found that. If you don't feel like you found that, then I can help you figure out ways to find your true purpose and your vision, and to really live a passionate life, doing what you want to do, working how you want to work, with who you want to work, and making money at it as well. Okay. And the second thing you have to do is have a money-making business model around that passion. And it's not as easy as just opening up your storefront, whether it's online or offline, and selling your products and services. You really want to put into a model or strategy on the types of income that you're going to be getting, the types of multiple streams of income that you could be receiving in many different ways. And there's so many different opportunities these days, but unless you're around people experiencing and implementing these kinds of business models, you won't know to implement them yourself or even think that they would be possible for your business. So I encourage you to pay attention to what I'm doing. Let me know if I can help you in that regard to figure out your own business model. And thirdly, you've got to be fully in love. And when I say in love, it's not necessarily with your significant other, although that's very helpful because it inspires you. It actually, when I wasn't in love before I found my Mr. Right, I had a big hole in my heart, and that really prevented me deep down inside. And I didn't know it was affecting my business the way it was, but it was. I wasn't as motivated. I wasn't as charged, and I wasn't as high energy as I really am now that I'm fully and completely in love with him. So that affects your business, but also in love with yourself. You have to have complete and 100%, 110% confidence in yourself and your self-value, your worth, what you charge, everything about you. And a lot of women I see out there aren't totally valuing themselves enough. Probably 85% of the women I see are not valuing yourselves enough. So we need to be able to kick that up, ladies, and men too, some men. So those are the 3 things that I see that really can affect you having or not having a 6 and 7 figure business. Hopefully that's helpful. And if you want more information, you can go to JumpstartYourMarketing.com and make sure you're getting my newsletters as well as the free Entrepreneur Success Kit. And if you're interested in really finding out more about how love and money, the mindset around those 2 things, affect your business, then you want to be on my free 5-part teleseries called The Love, How to Attain Great Love and Big Money, How to Finally Have It All. And I share a whole new system, a 7-step system with you. You'll get a free CD in the mail when you register for these calls. Go to loveandmoneyteleseries.com and find out all the details, and I'll talk to you soon.